Okay, you are most welcome for today's session. Today we are going to demonstrate how to dilute cefotaxime IV. In front of me I have 10 ml syringe for diluting, and then I have water for injection which I'm going to use, and then the drug itself, that is cefotaxime 1 gram. So we are going to use 10 ml for diluting. So you open your box and then you pick the drug, which is this one. Then you open this upper part here. You just open like this, and then you pick your syringe. You open and you assemble them together like this, and then you pick your water for injection. You open, you just break it like this, then you aspirate. This is water for injection. This is 10 ml. And then you come and dilute the drug, 10 ml. Jesus. So after putting all, you make sure that you mix it well in a gentle way. So when you realize that the powder have dissolved all, you now aspirate from the vials to give to the patient. Okay. We are still using our 10 ml syringe. Like this. Then you make sure you expel the hair out before you start giving to the patient. After expelling the hair, you remove your needle and you put in the sharp box, and then you go to your patient. This is our patient. We have already passed the cannula to the patient. So you come and you open, you remove the cork, you make sure you first secure here such that there will be no backflow. You put, and then you put your drug and you start giving to the patient slowly until when the drug get finished. Then you get the water for injection. Still you flush the line, and then you close it back. Yeah, thank you.